This was a line of 6 kits from 2019 to 2020, comprised of 3 Panzer IIIs and 3 Stug 3 kits. They use a version of Lincoln length tracks, which is very unusual for Dragon. All of them had these Neo tracks, so-called. It does seem rather flexible, at least in the picture. Well, realistic sag for someone who just lost one of the links because it was blown off. I have yet to build one from the stash, and so I do not know the breaking points of these Neo tracks yet. What I can say at this point is that the Neo kits are usually more expensive when you find them. It doesn't appear as if a lot of each individual kit was made. Another thing that Dragon is not very good at otherwise is the Neo kits, at least the Panzer IIIs, all have a jig for assisting you in getting the track sag correct. That's definitely an advantage.